Good. Up.
It's a really nice camera, really great lens also.
Yeah, this is a good lens.
Yeah.
Okay, straight up. You know, there are 7 spines in the neck.
Mm-hmm.
I'm checking the first one here. It's kind of out here.
Mm-hmm.
The first, check the rotations. Any tender when I press it here? Let's
no.
compare to the left side.
Yeah, way more tender on the left.
More tender.
Mhm.
Yeah. There you go. Just try to relax. I'm just gonna turn your head to the right. Everything loose.
Oh my gosh, wow. That was wild.
This is gonna be like a C3, C4.
Okay.
And try to relax. Just gonna bring you over. Okay, relax here. Wow. Wow. Beautiful. Let me stretch a little bit.
Okay.
It is so good so far.
Wow, it feels.
This is good stretching your suboccipital muscle here.
Yes.
Okay.
Wow.
It's gonna be between your scapula. Good. Try to relax your back. Nice and easy. One more time. Breathe in. And you're gonna breathe out. Whoa, breathe out. Oh.
So much.
You're kicking machine, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, what happened to you?
I've never been cracked.
Oh my goodness.
Ever. I'm just melty now.
Same thing here. Relax it. Oh, there you go. Just try to relax your shoulders and back. I'm just sort of rotating. Nice and easy. Good. From right here. Good. Try to relax here. Good. That's it. Wow. Everything's beautiful.
Oh my gosh, that feels so good.
Wow. Amazing, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, everything loose. Good. There you go. You got it.
This one was crazy.
Was it okay?
Yes, it feels great.
All right. You and us gonna check your shoulders.
Great.
Okay. Relax and lean back on me. Yes. Relax your shoulder. A little cute pop. This one is cute. Okay. Relax your shoulders. Okay. That's good. That's good.
Incredible.
Okay.
See you there.
Yeah. All right. Looks good, man. There you go. Okay. Now I'm gonna do adjustment C5, C6 here. Straight your back. So you're gonna drop your head onto my left side here. Okay. From here, relax your shoulders and slightly look up. There you go. Wow.
Good.
That was bomb. That was big, huge. How you feel?
Good.
Good, right?
Yes.
Okay. A little more push here. You can feel it, right?
Yes, yes.
Right? That's one too. So we're gonna do same thing. Relax, drop your head, relax your shoulder, and look up.
Wow.
Wow. That was big, yeah?
Yes.
Wow.
That's good. Oh,
Right there.
right.
Yeah. Hold it. Okay. Good. Squeeze your elbow. And lean back. Relax. Relax your back. There you go. Wow. Wow.
Good.
A lot, eh?
Yes.
How you feel?
Yeah, very
That
good.
was good, right?
Yes.
Wow. That's, you know, here, upper back here, that's limit the range of motions, okay?
Okay.
So we fix that. We try to, you know, make your arms, shoulders, neck move better. So, okay, good. Good. Okay, how you feel?
Yeah, very good.
Everything's good?
Yes, good.
Okay. turn, left. Relax both shoulders. That's good. It's kind of C3, C4. Okay, now you're gonna drop your head aside a little bit more and look up. Okay.